You have to buy Cardano before this date. Edward Snowden has been making some claims and statements, and they seem like statements that we should not disregard. What exactly has he been saying though? In this video, you'll learn more about Edward Snowden, who claimed that no one will be able to purchase Cardano after a particular date. The cryptocurrency community knows that on April 18th, El Salvador became the first country in the world to recognize Bitcoin as legal tender. So the nation's president, Nayib Bukele, proposed legislation to make it possible for digital money to be recognized alongside US dollars. Can Edward Snowden alert ADA holders about this development, and what does it all mean? A little backward on who Edward Snowden is that in 2013, Edward Snowden dared to leak state-level classified information. Many American and British mass surveillance operations were exposed by him as a result of his work as an employee of the National Security Agency and the Central Intelligence Agency. Apart from being found guilty of treason and multiple other offenses, Edward Snowden also managed to flee to Russia, where he was granted residency rights through asylum and has remained for the duration of his stay. Moreover, the public's attention has been piqued by Edward Snowden's shocking disclosures, and this has led to a robust community that supports him. The most astounding thing about it all is that Snowden is an enthusiast of cryptocurrency and blockchain technologies, including Bitcoin, Cardano, VeChain, and so on. Furthermore, as everyone is aware, the Cardano platform is based on a proof-of-stake protocol, unlike some of its forerunners like Bitcoin, which are based on proof-of-work. Additionally, the more coins you own, the more mining power you possess, because the proof-of-stake protocol is designed to mine block transactions. Because the system is fundamentally built to mine block transactions, that might have appealed to Snowden. Furthermore, cryptocurrency specialists have forecasted that $10 will be attained by 2022. The coin's value surged by 4,200% in 2021, placing it as the third largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of more than $33.69 billion. But in 2022, the cryptocurrency's price had decreased by 38% from the previous year. Nevertheless, Cardano has a chance to emerge as one of the top 3 widely used cryptocurrencies. Investors who wish to invest in digital assets want to avoid stomach-churning volatility, according to Amy Arnott, Morningstar strategist with a focus on cryptocurrency, who made this statement in a Business Insider piece. To sum up, given Edward Snowden's general positive outlook on the cryptocurrency space, some might decide that Cardano is a better option. Additionally, Snowden thinks that because of their security and transparency, Cardano and XRP, which are starting to look more like practical payment options, may see a big surge in the coming years. Furthermore, Cardano has launched the dApps integration connector, and as it continues to integrate dApps, smart contracts are a key focus of the Cardano platform. Furthermore, in July of 2021, Cardano declared that the much anticipated Alonzo hard fork was finished. The project's integration phase was starting to take shape concurrently. Developers can create decentralized financial services, networked financial services, and decentralized identity on the network by implementing smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain. Consequently, the network will greatly benefit from the addition of smart contract functionality. Following this route, Cardano introduced its Yoroi wallet and a dApps connector for network interaction. This is a significant step forward. Yoroi wallet is produced by Emergo's commercial division, which offers solutions for the Cardano ecosystem. This way, users of Cardano and Emergo can seamlessly perform dApp transactions on the blockchain. A larger range of users will find greater applicability for the decentralized global operating system as a result of the connector, increasing its user base. Cardano is a good, long-lasting asset, and the crypto analyst thinks that it will double in price by the end of 2024. There was also a forecast that said ADA will become less expensive than $1.50 during the following few years. Nevertheless, other analysts think that this is the ideal moment to add ADA to your cryptocurrency wallet, and if you have already, you might want to purchase more of this volatile virtual money. And since Cardano is a fantastic example of a project that is expanding, investing in cryptocurrency over time could prove to be quite beneficial to you. Analysts forecast that as a result, if the cryptocurrency hits a new price point, it will probably climb in tandem with the market rather than falling. Additionally, due to Cardano's team strength and capability, investors and strategic thinkers like Edward Snowden respect them. If cryptocurrency technologies such as Bitcoin and other blockchains can create rival systems and methods, that is the only part of Snowden's allegation that matters. By using strong surveillance tactics, powerful agencies, and regimes represent a threat to privacy, which is why these measures are being taken. Snowden also brought up the fact that creating rival systems that would both draw in customers from around the world and solve every issue with the current system was the only long-term way to solve the problem. Moreover, Cardano is developed by engineers and academic specialists with backgrounds in cryptography and blockchain technology, and it is peer-reviewed throughout the entire process. Cardano is the kind of cryptocurrency that grows gradually over time, rather than switching direction quickly due to peer review. The Cardano strategy, as Edward Snowden clarified, guards against security flaws that would otherwise result in future, more significant vulnerabilities. If it's possible, how would you take back the significant Cardano level? Cardano is significantly impacted by the long-term direction of Bitcoin, which is followed by most altcoins. Since its all-time high, ADA has lost approximately 75% of its value, compared to 40% for Bitcoin, as a result of the decline that has damaged Bitcoin since its highs above $69,000. At $1 in 2021, buying pressure resulted in a loss of technical and psychological support. Can the bulls reclaim this level after they broke below $2.20 in September of 2022 during a decline? The two most significant long-term levels of support, which are $1.20 and $1, have been broken by the price due to the persistent bearish trend. The chart for the third weekend in March of 2023 did not look good for buyers with long-term goals. In July, there was bullish activity on an order block in the $1 range. Buyers have also run out of options, even though there has been significant demand in recent months. As the price was trading below 21 and 55 periods on the daily chart, it was clear that breaking the $1 level would be necessary to turn the longer-term bias positive and initiate the upward trend. The fundamental moving averages are orange and green. It then showed a notable downward tendency as shown by a series of lower highs. Furthermore, a bullish divergence was formed recently when the price made a series of lower lows while the RSI made higher lows. It is possible to take advantage of the small price increase that occurred in this instance, which was between 93 and 98 cents. However, such a bounce would only present another opportunity to promote ADA. In recent months, there has been a progressive fall in the OBV, indicating a consistent selling volume and insufficient demand to overwhelm the sellers. The market's momentum and other indicators, however, point to more declines for ADA. Until ADA crosses $1 and reaches $1.20, risk-adverse investors might want to wait to buy. But what are the projected prices for Cardano? Experts estimate that Cardano will reach its highest price of $1.59 in August. In addition, a 72% increase in pricing is predicted throughout the end of the year. It's anticipated that Cardano will rise in value to $1 in the second part of the year too. Assuming that the projections are correct, the price will increase by $1.11. This means that with its current price, Cardano will appreciate by 127%. This chart shows a drop in relative strength index, which suggests that there is more pressure to sell than to buy. Bear dominance in the cryptocurrency market is further highlighted by the average's bearish curve. The ADA price is likely to challenge its resistance level at 54.56 cents shortly if the bulls pick up steam. Additionally, if the market maintains that degree of price stability, it will get ready to test the 56.25 cents upper resistance level in the next few weeks. Conversely, if the bears keep outnumbering the bulls, Cardano's price would drop and test its 52.08 cent support level. It will also drop and get ready to test its lower support level of 49.66 cents soon if the bears have the upper hand in the market. But for now, have you added Cardano to your investment portfolio? And don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe buttons. Let's see if the price of Cardano moves up before April 15th of 2024.